What's up everybody, welcome back again to my channel all-in-one, and today I will be reviewing some best iPhone 11 cases. So firstly I will start with this clear case. It's called a clear TPU case, a rubber case. Let's open this case up. So this one is a clear case, also one of the slimmest cases I found in the market. So this one has edges at the corner. That means it will protect your phone towards the fall if you put on the table. It has a nice cutout for your camera, plus it has this edge at the camera cut. So even with this iPhone 11 case, the cameras are kind of edgy, so if you put your phone the other way, it will also protect the camera from get scratched. It has a nice buttons for your volume up and down, as you can see here, and a nice cutout for your volume. Vibrator, you mean, put it on silent, and that's your nice slot for your charging and speaker phone. So this is one of my to-go cases, because this one doesn't make your phone look bulky. It kind of gives you a slim feeling, so it's, if you put it in your jeans or pocket, you won't even pretty much notice your phone. So secondly, one of my favorite case is I got this from the market in two colors, black and turquoise. So let's start with the black one. It's one of like slim armor type cases. So it's not it comes with the two cases. So one is your hard case, you can just separate them out, hard case, and one is your rubber case. The purpose of these two is if you drop your phone, so this rubber case at the bottom will help you to protect the phone from getting damaged and to absorb all the shock. This one is not wide open from the bottom. It has a proper slot for your charging, a speaker. Again, you can see this plus and negative sign for your volume up and down, vibrator slot, a nice cutout for your camera. Again, this is very edgy, kind of thick from the camera side, because again, it won't scratch. It will help you not to scratch the the camera lens if you put your phone upside down here. Yeah, so it's one of my to-go cases too, because it's provide you a protection, plus it's one of the slimmest case, but not the actual slim case, but it's better than the it's like a slim case with some protection. So you can also get this in different colors. Some of the people like to put this turquoise. It depends what the personal choice is. So yeah, so next case I will go through is Caseology case. I got this in two colors, I mean three colors: black, red, and a pink. So let's start with the black one. So this one is not plain from the back. This has a nice texture at the back. You can see this texture at the back. This is also two pieces. One is rubber. It's kind of glued. It's like a rubber and a hard case. It has a nice silver. It's not the black. They give it a silver look for the power button and volume for up and down. This is not the stand to stand your phone. This is just this show, for the show they put it in. A nice slot for your camera. Again, if the thickness of this case will help you not to scratch the camera of your phone. This one has a nice edges at the side, as you can see here. So if you put your phone upside down, these edges will come on the top of your phone, so it will help you the phone not to scratch from the front side. A lot of people like this red color too, because it kind of highlights your phone. With the black, they give you a matte kind of style here. With the red, they give you a white or a grayish look, and the bottom is not, again, open. Nice slot for your charging port and your speaker phone here. Again, same concept with the pink one. So yeah, next one I will be reviewing these two cases. I don't know what the name for these cases are, so I will start with this one. I will actually open both. So this one is opaque white color case with the red volume up and down buttons, with the power is also up and down. It's pretty thick case. Also it has edges at the corner, so if you drop your phone or put it upside down, it will help not scratch the phone. The bottom is not wide open. A nice slot for your speaker and your charging port. It also gives you a kind of nice feeling by if you're holding this phone. So yeah, this also comes in black color too, like a black is from the corner and opaque kind of, you can, it's not clear, you can kind of still see it from the case. So with this one, they both come in red buttons and red volume up and down, a proper slot for your vibrator, again for your camera. With these cases, they don't come with wide open, so that's one of the thing I like, because it can also protect the bottom of the phone from scratches. So yeah, so let's move on to the next case. I got these two. It's called fashion case, pretty match your device, genuine product, protection, full coverage, shock resistant. Let's open one of these. I got the one in silver, rose gold, and one in white. This is a nice cover here. This one is like clear from the back, but not the actual like not the whole clear, like 70% of it's clear, and the on the border gives you a white kind of plastic from the at the edges. And this one also comes like a rounded up to the top of your phone, protect from the scratches. So yeah, this one also similar thing, it's just in different color. So yeah, these two, they are pretty heavy duty case too. It's good for everyday use, so going to the office, gym, working, or whatever. These comes with the two holes here, so you can just put a cord or something to hang it in on your wrist. So yeah, I would use one of these cases. These kind of look classy too, and you can still get it for a cheaper price. Yeah, so let's move on to some silicone Apple cases. I got these in three colors: purple, black, and red. These are one of my favorite covers. I opened one of these red, so I mean black. Let's open this one and I'll review this case too. So with this case, the one thing I like about this case is it gives you a nice feeling at the back. It's not slippery at all. I have used this case. When you put your phone inside and put it in your jeans, it will hold in properly. It has buttons, very rubber, very smooth buttons at the corner for your volume up and down. A big slot for your power button. This case is wide open at the bottom, so there's no protection for your speaker or charging port. If there is a chance it will get damaged with the scratches. One of the coolest thing I like about this case is the inside is a cushion material. Unless like other, I'll take one example. Unless like this clear, this one is a rubber back, but this one comes with a cushion back. So if sometime with the cases the dust goes inside and it stays inside and rubbers out and kind of damages the back of your phone, but this one with the cushion material, it will help the dust to absorb and won't damage the phone. So again, you can get this in a lot of different colors, but I got these three, I mean red and purple. It depends, personal choice, what people like. These two, I got these fancy cases. These comes in a lot of different color. Again, same concept. These are really protective cases. A lot of youth generation like these kind of cases, youth girls I mean. It has a nice edges at the back. It again comes in two part, So one is hard, one is soft to absorb the shock. Nice cutout for your camera and not wide open from the back. It's pretty cool case. It's kind of look unique and fancy when you go out to party or something. Lastly, I will be reviewing flip. I mean a wallet case. I got this in 3 colors: turquoise, red, and black. Let's open one of the case and show you how it looks. So I got this black one. This one, you can just slide your phone inside here. This one is like a black rubber cover inside, and on the top it's a hard it's you can call it a leather, it's a resin. This one comes with a lot of slots here for to put your cards in or money in easily, and this one also stands. So if you're watching a movie or something, you can stand your phone like this and you can easily use your phone. The one of the coolest feature I like about this is even when you receive a call, you can just open the phone, open the cover, slide the phone to receive the call, close it, and you can still talk because of the slot at the top of the case that will help to listen to the person you're talking to. This one again gives you a nice feeling to hold it. A lot of people like to put a lot of stuff here, so it's kind of good for the people who don't want to carry wallet separately. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for amazing cool videos in future and gives it a huge thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.